This is a really beautiful place in Kokkola, Finland. Kokkola församling. Kokkolan seurakunta. They purchased it 630 grams. Yeah, it's not scenic like the big shot is beautiful.
Seurakuntakeskus Staircase H.
Staircase H, yes. 1991 and 1991 and early 1992. 696 is the two floors. Hydraulic. This is a bit more rare.
My god, look at this! Swiss tell.
Oh my god. It's original.
From 1992.
Wow. It's still there. I have to take pictures of this elevator.
Me too. Especially that phone.
You and your phones.
What?
Nothing. Sorry. And it also says in Finnish and Swedish here.
Oh wow. It's
It's
caged.
going to be
On the
inspected
second floor.
next year, 2020. Shall we check from here?
Yes.
The shaft. Look at the shaft. Oh, it's a nice shaft.
I'd like to send it down.
You can also hear the fan sounds. Original fan sound. This is so beautiful. Now the woman doesn't stand there, you can check that please too.
Yeah. Can I cut? Excuse me?
Today is the 24th of July 2019. But they should have made it scenic.
Yeah.
Now my camera froze properly.
That's good. Let me take a look, have a look at the emergency.
Yeah, have a look at it.
Whoa. It's amazing. When was it taken out of use?
No, I think it's still in use.
I think so.
I think so. Oh wow, it says 1992. And
Now downstairs is 1991.
Yeah.
But is it, I mean, wait a minute, is it, let me see it. It's 1991.
And 1992.
Oh, that's pretty special.
Yeah. Late 92 and late 91.
Late 1991, early 1992.
Inspected by kiva inspected, maintained by Kone.
And now two or one?
Another ride. This is like, you know, the movements, time of the movements, that's serious. Same time. And because it's in a religious center, this is still very fresh. Doesn't get vandalized or anything. But it's kept clean. I like that.
I can see the piston from the hole.
Yeah. And the one. Full memory.
Almost. Hate those delays.
Pictures. It also says 1991, 1992 here.
Yes.
That's
That's it.